Oh yes, hello friends. Welcome to Dr. Olga Lazin video channel. We are going to try and open a product. It's absolutely impeccable. Series 7. This is red aluminum, red sports blade watch. Series number 7, which has videos. So you can attach video to it. It has two elements. This is a wristband, very beautiful, and here is our famous watch. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic product. Trying to open it. Just give me a second. It shows there is an opening. You have to unvirgin it. Here it is. And here it is. Beautiful product. Absolutely fabulous. Here it is. There's a little watch. This is what we're talking about. This is a watch. Okay. This is how tiny it is. We have to use a lot of our nails here. I succeeded. Here it is. Here it is. It's a little Apple Watch. It has a manual dialer. Here it is. Turned on. You can see. And we have more stuff on it. Here it is. So that you can see it's turning on. It says iPhone, Apple Watch. As you can see, iPhone, Apple Watch. All right, here it is, and this is a charger. So that's how it looks like. Just opening the charger up. Okay, here we go. Everything is neatly stacked together. Okay. This is where it charges, in the back. It's on the side, as you can see. Everything is self-explanatory. Anyways, this is it. And I also bought the charger. This is portable. You can take it with you. You can put it on your belt and you can wear it. This is what we are talking about. The charger. Bring eyewear. Acerca el iPhone and Apple Watch. Here it is. Okay. This looks like a fantastic product. Apple Watch. I don't know why, and everything is in Chinese, everything. Very weird stuff. But this has been, the product was made here. Let's see how it looks like. 41 millimeters in my case. Red sports band. And I have a camera too. It has a video. It has two angled video cameras available. So I'm gonna get on Apple. And this is how slowly it goes, but it's wonderful. I just wanna show it to you how it looks like. This is a band, very beautiful. And it almost looks like it's designed. Okay, very light. Everything is plastic, basically. All right, so we're gonna put the watch in and we're gonna take a picture and show you the whole elements of the, I don't know how you put this in. Look, I did. I need to, it looks beautiful. And remember, you can take videos and pictures. You can take videos and pictures with this type of thing. It's magnetized. Okay. Okay, this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is the back. It has cameras. I'm ordering the 2 cameras, band wrist with the camera. Okay, this looks wonderful. This fits me perfectly. Apple Watch, iPhone, Generation 7, goggles, take pictures, viaja, going to travel a lot. Thank you and goodbye.